Soon, they were both whizzing through Rob's station. They were soon climbing Hogwarts Hill with ease with both of their trains. But at the top, trouble was brewing. The coach's weight started to take its toll on 89572, and so that the freight cars for 35716. They were both racing down the hill at high speeds. Whoa! They cried. We gotta stop, we gotta stop. Both of them cried. They tried finding their brakes, but that barely worked. They rocketed through Marion Station at top speed. We gotta stop, they cried. The drivers tried hard to apply their brakes, but nothing was working. They shot past Marion Station at a very high speed. 89572 kept rolling on the main line, but 35716 was about to have it worse than him. There was a big crack on the track right before the viaduct on 35716's line. By the time he saw it, oh no! Oh, 35716 had came off the rails at a crack in the track and flew into the ravine below. He wasn't injured, and his crew had jumped clear before the wreck. He had a couple of dents, and his cars and loads were all to pieces. But 35716 watched as 89572 sped on down the line, with his passengers in tow. As he rounded the bend after the viaduct, there was more trouble up ahead.